Problem 13. What is the probability that a positive integer selected at random from the set of positive integers not exceeding 100 is divisible by 3 or 7? The sample space consists of 100 numbers. What is the event space? If E1 is the set of all multiples of 3, and T2 is the set of all multiples of 7, then the event space will be the union of E1 and T2. It is easy to count the number of elements in E1. How many multiples of 3 among the first 100 numbers? If you think about that, it is just the floor of 100 divided by 3, and it is 33. Yeah, these are the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, and so on, up to 99. There are 33 such multiples of 3. Similarly, the number of elements in E2, that is the number of multiples of 7, is 100 divided by 7. Take the floor of that. The floor is 14. So there are 14 multiples of 7. What is the intersection of E1 and T2? It consists of numbers that are multiple of 3 and 7 at the same time. And any such number is a multiple of 21 also. So these are just the numbers multiples of 21. How many multiples of 21? The same rule. 100 divided by 21. Take the floor of that. Evaluate that, you see it is 4. And we can use the inclusion-exclusion formula. The number of elements in the union of U1 and T2 is the number of elements in U1 plus the number of elements in E2 minus the number of elements in the intersection. And we know all these cardinalities. We can put them here, here, and here. Put them here and evaluate, you get 43. So the event space consists of 43 numbers. So the probability of this event is 43 divided by 100. So 0.43. Problem 14. 2 dice are rolled. What is more likely? Rolling a total of 9 or rolling a total of 8? Solution. Let E1 be the event of rolling a total of 9 and T2 be the event of rolling a total of 8. The sample space has 36 outcomes. 1, 1, 1, 2, and so on, 1, 6, then 2, 1, 2, 2, and so on, 2, 6, and you continue that way. So 36 outcomes. How many outcomes in the event E1? These are 3 plus 6, 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4, 6 plus 3, sum 9. How many here? 1, 2, 3, 4. In the event E1 we have 4 outcomes. So the probability of E1 is 4 divided by 36. The probability of E2. Here the outcomes in E2 are 2 plus 6, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 3, and 6 plus 2. These are the sums. The sums equal to 8. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 outcomes. We need 2. So 5 over 36. Which of these two fractions is bigger? Obviously the second one. So rolling on 8 is more likely.